Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchips and part 3 of the International Jumbo series. In this video we're having a look at the FM audio modification. We're going to have a quick service of the front end, see if it needs any adjustments. So, well, let's get started. So here we have our Jumbo. We've got a signal generator set to channel 40 midband. Let's see if we can adjust it how the manual says. Now I'm trying to adjust the first core, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. So I have a closer look at the core and somebody's been there already and broken the core. So we'll replace that and carry on. So what the service manual says is we have a carrier with a tone on it, and we use the oscilloscope to get the tone as clear as possible on the oscilloscope. Now I'm just altering the signal level there. I mean, we could just do this by peaking the meter, but I thought to give it a try by the way the manual says. So we'll just carry on working down the front end, see if we can clear up this rather strange sine wave that's being generated from my RF generator. But we get it there in the end. Get it nicely peaked up. So here's an example of the FM audio as it is in its unmodified state. So we can do a comparison later. So first things first, what needs to come out? We need to remove an inductor and we need to remove a capacitor. So the desoldering gun makes quick work of that. And there's the inductor that needs to come out. That inductor is L3 on the front PCB, and C3 kindly drops out for us. So here we have a 103 capacitor, a resistor and the varactor diode. I've seen a few pictures of this modification, so this seems to be the way to do it. And then we just need to connect another resistor across to a point where those components were removed. Once we've done that, that should bypass the cruddy FM audio circuit that was originally in there, where it modulates the crystal via a varactor diode, and this should be a lot cleaner now. We just need to make sure one more trace was cut, which was actually already cut, which I'd already re-linked back out, but I've made sure that is cut again. And we need to make sure that one side of a potentiometer is down to negative instead of through a resistor. Last part, we need to take this capacitor out, C32, and replace it with another value. And that should be our FM audio modification done. Quick tidy up of the legs and we're done. And there's the modification in place. And that's all it is. So let's have a listen to how it was.
2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
I think it sounds a bit better. but I'll have to get a on-air test. And now for the Squelch. As most of these cybernets, nice pop when the Squelch is activated or deactivated. So that requires removal of a couple of components. So we've got a diode that needs to be removed. And a resistor that needs to be removed. And then we need to add a wire link in place. And that should stop our Squelch from popping. So here's a wire link going into place. Try and keep it nice and tidy. And we'll just cover those holes up just because it makes it look a bit better. Let's see if that nasty Squelch pops. And the pop has gone. Excellent. Must admit, SSB was quite busy on this night to film this. So that's our essential modifications done. Stay tuned for the next part in this series. As always, thanks for watching.